Hello, welcome back to English Ember.
Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm James. On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English.
Today, we're going to learn how to discuss new trends. It's a very useful topic for conversations.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to English Ember for more English practice. It really helps us.
Let's get started. So, James, do you pay attention to trends?
Yes, I do. I like to know what's popular and what's new. What about you?
Me too. Trends are everywhere, in fashion, technology, food, even in language.
Exactly. First, let's explain what a trend is. A trend is something that is popular or fashionable at a particular time.
Right. For example, a few years ago, fidget spinners were a huge trend. Everyone had one.
I remember that. Now nobody uses them anymore. That's how trends work. They come and go.
Some trends last longer than others. Some are just fads that disappear quickly.
Good point. So let's start with fashion trends. Fashion changes every season. What fashion trends are popular right now?
Well, oversized clothing is very trendy right now. Baggy jeans, oversized sweaters, loose-fitting shirts.
Yes, I've noticed that too. It's very different from a few years ago when everything was tight and fitted.
Fashion is cyclical. That means styles from the past come back. Like right now, 90s fashion is popular again.
The 90s. I see people wearing platform shoes, crop tops, and high-waisted jeans.
Exactly. My mom laughs because she wore the same things when she was young.
That's funny. What about colors? Are there any color trends?
Yes, earth tones are very popular. Browns, beiges, olive greens, natural colors.
I like those colors. They're calm and easy to match with other clothes.
Me too. What fashion trends do you follow?
I like comfortable, casual fashion. I'm not into high fashion or designer brands.
That's totally fine. Fashion should be about expressing yourself, not just following trends blindly.
Well said. Now let's talk about food trends. Food trends are really interesting. What food trends have you noticed?
Plant-based food is a huge trend right now. More people are eating vegetarian or vegan meals.
Yes, even people who eat meat are trying meatless options. There are so many plant-based burgers and alternatives now.
I've tried some of them. Some taste really good, actually.
Me too. Another food trend is fermented foods, things like kombucha, kimchi, and sauerkraut.
Fermented foods are supposed to be good for your gut health. They have probiotics.
Exactly. Health is a big factor in food trends. People want food that's healthy and sustainable.
Sustainable means environmentally friendly, right?
Yes, people care about where their food comes from and how it's produced.
What about dessert trends? I love desserts.
Me too. One trend is unique flavor combinations, like salted caramel, lavender honey, or matcha everything.
Matcha is everywhere. Matcha lattes, matcha ice cream, matcha cookies.
I love matcha. It's delicious, and it's also considered healthy.
Another dessert trend is elaborate, Instagram-worthy desserts. Desserts that look amazing in photos.
Oh yes, the giant milkshakes with donuts and candy on top, or the super tall layer cakes.
Exactly. People take pictures before they eat. Social media has a huge influence on food trends.
That's so true. Now let's talk about lifestyle trends. These are trends in how people live their lives.
Okay, great. One big lifestyle trend is remote work. After the pandemic, many people work from home now.
Yes, remote work has changed how we think about jobs. You don't have to live near your office anymore.
That's true. People can work from anywhere with an internet connection. Some people even work while traveling.
They call that being a digital nomad. You travel the world while working remotely.
That sounds amazing. I'd love to try that someday.
Me too. Another lifestyle trend is minimalism. Do you know what that is?
Yes, minimalism means living with less stuff, only keeping things that are useful or bring you joy.
Exactly. People are decluttering their homes and simplifying their lives.
I think that's a good trend. We often have too many things we don't need.
I agree. What about wellness trends? Taking care of your mental and physical health.
Wellness is huge right now. Meditation and mindfulness are very popular.
Yes, there's so many meditation apps. People take time each day to relax and clear their minds.
I use a meditation app sometimes. It helps me feel less stressed.
That's great. Another wellness trend is self-care, taking time for yourself to recharge.
Self-care can be anything. Taking a bath, reading a book, going for a walk, or just doing nothing.
Exactly. It's about prioritizing your own well-being. That's important.
Now let's talk about technology trends. Technology changes so fast.
It does. One major trend is streaming services. People watch movies and shows on Netflix, Hulu, Disney+.
Yes, traditional cable TV is becoming less popular. Everyone streams now.
I haven't had cable TV in years. I stream everything.
Same here. What about social media trends? Social media is always changing.
True. Short-form video content is huge. TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts.
Everyone watches short videos now. They're quick and entertaining.
But some people say these short videos are shortening our attention spans.
That's a concern. We're getting used to quick, fast content. It's harder to focus on longer things.
That's true. Another tech trend is smart devices, smart watches, smart speakers, smart home systems.
I have a smartwatch. It tracks my steps, my heart rate, and reminds me to move.
Those are really popular. Technology is becoming more integrated into our daily lives.
For better or worse. Now let's discuss how to talk about trends in English. What phrases can we use?
Good idea. When something is becoming popular, you can say it's trending or it's on the rise.
For example, plant-based food is trending right now, or remote work is on the rise.
Perfect. You can also say something is gaining popularity or catching on.
Like, electric cars are gaining popularity, or this new app is really catching on.
Great examples. When something is extremely popular, you can say it's all the rage or it's taking off.
Minimalism is all the rage, or this fashion style is really taking off.
Exactly. And when you want to say something was popular but isn't anymore, you can say it's dying out or it's fading.
Fidget spinners are dying out, or that trend is already fading.
Good. You can also use it's so last year to say something is outdated.
That's a fun phrase. Those shoes are so last year.
Exactly. Now, when you're talking about your opinion on a trend, you can say I'm into it or I'm not really into it.
For example, I'm really into sustainable fashion, or I'm not really into that music trend.
Perfect. You can also say I'm on board with something to show you support it.
I'm on board with the plant-based food movement.
Great example. Or you can say I'm jumping on the bandwagon, which means you're joining a popular trend.
Everyone's meditating now, so I'm jumping on the bandwagon too.
Exactly. But if you don't follow trends, you can say I'm not one to follow trends or I do my own thing.
I'm not one to follow fashion trends. I wear what I like.
Perfect. These phrases will help you talk about trends naturally.
Now let's talk about why trends are important. Why should we pay attention to trends?
Good question. Trends tell us about society and culture. They show us what people value and care about.
That's true. For example, the wellness trend shows that people are prioritizing mental health more.
Exactly. And the sustainability trend shows that people care about the environment.
Trends can also be useful for business. Companies need to know what's popular to stay competitive.
Right. If you own a restaurant, you need to know food trends. If you sell clothes, you need to know fashion trends.
But we shouldn't follow every trend blindly. Some trends are not good for us.
I agree. It's important to think critically. Just because something is popular doesn't mean it's right for you.
Exactly. Be yourself and make your own choices. Don't let trends control you.
Well said. What trends do you think will be big in the future?
I think sustainability will continue to grow. More eco-friendly products, renewable energy, zero-waste lifestyles.
I agree. Climate change is a serious issue, so people will focus more on protecting the planet.
What about you? What future trends do you predict?
I think AI and technology will become even more integrated into our lives. More automation, more smart devices.
That's likely. Technology is advancing so quickly.
Also, I think personalization will be a big trend. Everything customized to each individual person.
Personalized learning, personalized medicine, personalized products. That makes sense.
Well, Ella, while we were talking, we used many useful words and phrases for discussing trends.
We did. Should we review them?
Yes, let's help everyone remember these important expressions.
First, let's review the word trend itself. A trend is something popular or fashionable at a particular time.
You can say, "This is a new trend," or "I follow fashion trends."
Another useful word is fad. A fad is a trend that is very popular for a short time and then disappears.
Fidget spinners were just a fad, means they were briefly popular but didn't last.
Good example. Now let's review phrases. It's trending means it's becoming popular.
Plant-based food is trending, or this hashtag is trending on Twitter.
Another phrase is on the rise, which means increasing or growing.
Remote work is on the rise, means more and more people are working remotely.
We can say gaining popularity, which is similar.
Electric cars are gaining popularity, means they're becoming more popular.
When something is extremely popular, we can say it's all the rage.
This new restaurant is all the rage, means everyone loves it and wants to go there.
To say a trend is ending, we use dying out or fading.
That fashion style is dying out, or the trend is fading away.
For personal opinions, we say, I'm into it, or I'm not into it.
I'm into sustainable fashion, means I like it and support it.
And jumping on the bandwagon means joining a popular trend.
Everyone's doing yoga now, so I'm jumping on the bandwagon too.
Excellent! These phrases will make you sound natural when discussing trends.
Well, Ella, that was a really useful conversation about trends.
It was. I feel like we covered so many different types of trends.
We did. Let's review what we talked about today.
We explained what a trend is and how trends change over time.
We discussed fashion trends like oversized clothing and 90s styles coming back.
We talked about food trends, including plant-based eating, fermented foods, and Instagram-worthy desserts.
We explored lifestyle trends like remote work, minimalism, and wellness practices.
We looked at technology trends, such as streaming services, short-form videos, and smart devices.
We learned useful phrases for discussing trends in English, like "it's trending," "on the rise," and "all the rage."
We talked about the importance of trends and how they reflect our values and culture.
And we discussed the importance of thinking critically about trends rather than following them blindly.
Now it's time for our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Are you ready for today's question?
Today's question is, what's a current trend that you love and what's a trend that you don't understand?
Great question. We want to hear about your opinions on trends.
Maybe you love the plant-based food trend, but you don't understand the TikTok dance trend.
Or maybe you love minimalism, but you don't understand why everyone wants designer handbags.
For example, I could say, I love the remote work trend because I can work from home, but I don't understand the trend of expensive sneakers.
And I could say, I love the wellness trend because self-care is important, but I don't understand the trend of super long fake nails.
See, there's no right or wrong answer. Everyone has different opinions.
Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Write 1 or 2 sentences.
We read every comment and we love learning about what trends you follow or don't follow.
It's a great way to practice your English and join our community.
So, to summarize, today we learned how to discuss trends in English. We practiced useful vocabulary and phrases.
We hope you feel confident talking about trends now. Remember, trends are part of everyday conversation.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English Ember. It was wonderful to have this conversation.
It was. I feel like we covered so many different types of trends.
We did. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Ember and click the bell so you never miss a new lesson.
We have new conversations every week to help you improve your English.
So, from both of us, keep learning, keep practicing, and stay curious about the world around you.
Happy learning, everyone!
See you next time. Goodbye!